Here's a 2016 Jeep Renegade. Run wild and free with no limits in this adventure-ready Renegade. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, manual telescoping steering column, power heated mirrors, auxiliary audio input, rear lip spoiler, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend finds the Renegade still got all the hardware needed to appeal to both the Jeep faithful and those just looking for a rugged little ride. The Jeep life fits your life. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
You'll be amazed at the selection and value at Chrysler World. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 2612 County Highway EE in Abrams, Wisconsin.